In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide VPN icon on Android. So of course, the quickest method for you to be able to remove the VPN icon is by disconnecting on your VPN. So from there, all you have to do is turn off or disconnect from your VPN app. But now, if you don't want to be disconnected on your VPN at all you have to do is head over to settings on your phone and here navigate to notifications and status bar. And here, once again, look for the status bar and open it up. And here you'll see status bar icons display. So here, look for VPN and all you have to do is toggle it off. In that way, the VPN icon will disappear, but your VPN stays connected in the background. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!